India states and capital. Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Amari, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Karnataka, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Trivandrum, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mysore, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Guwahati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Uttar